Hello, today I want to present about Chapter 5, Organizational Structures that Support Strategic Initiative. Organizational employees must work closely together to develop strategic initiatives that create competitive advantage. Understanding the basic structure of a typical IT department, including title, role, and responsibility, will help an organization build a cohesive, enterprise-wide team. There have 5 recent IT-related strategic positions. First one, Chief Information Officer, CIO, Chief Technology Officer, CITO, Chief Security Officer, CISO, Chief Privacy Officer, CIPO, and Chief Knowledge Officer, CIKO. Chief Information Officer, or we call it CIO, oversees all users of IT and ensures the strategic alignment of IT with business goals and objectives. The CIO typically report directly to the Chief Executive Officer, or we call it CEO. CIOs must possess a solid and detailed understanding of every aspect of an organization, coupled with tremendous insight into the capability of IT. CIOs must have strong business skill and strong IT skill. Broad CIOs function include manager, leader, and communicator. Manager is ensuring the delivery of all IT process on time and within budget. Leader is ensuring the strategic vision of IT is in line with the strategic vision of the organization. And communicator is building and maintaining strong executive relationship. What concerns CIOs the most? CIOs the most concerned about exchanging customer satisfaction, followed by security, technology evaluation, budgeting, staffing, ROI analysis, building new application, and outsourcing hosting. Chief Technology Officer, or we call it CITO, responsible for ensuring the throughput, speed, accuracy, availability, and reliability of IT, and also ensure the efficiency of IT. Chief Security Officer, or we call it CISO, responsible for ensuring the security of IT system. Chief Privacy Officer, or we call it CIPO, CIPO responsible for ensuring the ethical and legal use of information. Normally, the newer senior executive position, and many CIPOs are lawyer by training. Chief Knowledge Officer, or we call it CHIKO, responsible for collecting, maintaining, and distributing the organization knowledge. Skills needed to be a successful IT executive are ability to communicate effectively, strategic thinking and planning, understanding business process and operation, negotiative or sales skill, true knowledge of technology option, and the last one is technical proficiency. The gap between business personnel and IT personnel. First of all, we must know what is mean of business personnel and what is that mean of IT personnel. Business personnel is possess expertise in functional areas such as marketing, accounting, and sales. IT personnel is have the technology expertise. This typically cause a communication gap between the business personnel and IT personnel. So, it is the responsibility of the CIO to ensure effective communication between business personnel and IT personnel. Ethics and security are two fundamental building blocks that organizations must base their business on to be successful. What is ethics? Ethics is the principle and standards that guide our behavior toward other people. Privacy is a major ethical issue. What is privacy? Privacy is the right to be left alone when you want to be, to have control over your own personal possession, and not to be observed without your consent. There are 5 issues affected in technology advance. Number 1 is intellectual property. Number 2 is copyright. Number 3, fair use doctrine. Number 4, pirated software. 5, counterfeit software. Number 1 is intellectual properties. Intellectual properties is intangible creative work that is embodied in physical form. Number 2, copyright is the legal protection afforded an expression of an idea such as a song, video game, and some type of proprietary document. Number 3, fair use doctrine. In certain situations, it is legal to use copyrighted material. Pirated software, the unauthorized use, duplication, distribution, or sale of copyrighted software. Counterfeit software is software that is manufactured to look like the real thing and sold as such. One of the main ingredients in trust is privacy. Primary reason privacy issues lose trust for e-business is number 1, loss of personal privacy is a top concern for Americans in the 21st century. Number 2, among internet users, 37% could be a lot more inclined to purchase a product on a website that had a privacy policy. Number 3 is privacy security is the number 1 factor that would convert internet researchers into internet buyers. Organizational information is intellectual capital. It must be protected. Information security is the protection of information from accidental or intentional misuse by person inside or outside an organization.